Hello guys, welcome back. I'm out here in the cold, -10 or something like that. But super excited to test out my new setup. Gonna make my dinner and then camp out here for the night. I think it'll probably go down as low as -20. So let's get cooking and then probably gonna go to bed pretty early. As the sun is already setting pretty soon, and once I finish eating, gonna jump into the trunk and sleep for the night. First time in the Model Y, let's go. Here's my pot, and I have some pre-chopped onions, pepper, carrots, and some tomato. I haven't moved into the Y yet, so this is just the first test. And hopefully everything works smoothly and then I can start traveling again. Here's my trusty spork. I use it to eat and cook as well. Beans, tomato, I wanted to add some water, but I think the hose is frozen, so there's only one way. That works. Not the best looking thing, but it should keep me pretty full for the night. This is probably really hot right now, but my fingers are so cold, it feels like nothing. First bite. Oh. Pretty good, not bad. It's bedtime. I'll report back to you guys in the morning about my night, and I'll see you soon. Good morning, good morning. Had a pretty great night. The trunk area is still pretty cold, but probably a little bit warmer than in the Model 3 since the air circulates a little bit better. Oh, I love this glass. So much nicer than the Model 3. Now it's without the beam. Right before going to bed, I think the battery state of charge was 69%. Let's take a look what it is now. Alright, 38. And it's almost 8 in the morning. 8, that's 31%. Yeah, if my math is right, I think I used 31% of energy for the night. Not bad, I guess. It'll probably be worse without the heat pump. Just made my bed, nice and tidy. I didn't intend this to be a table, but it's working really, really well. Alright, cheers guys, gonna drink this coffee and then I'll see you guys in the next video.